Don't worry, guys. I'm back. Darius can't get rid of me that quick.
Ah, man. What's up? We are venturing today. So we are going to Higgins Lake, as you can see. So we are...
Look at this kayak right here.
Yeah, we got a little different setup. So we got the yak rack, the rack yak, whatever you want to call it. And we're hitting up Higgins Lake, Michigan. We got a buddy. We're actually going to his house tonight. One of the other guys that we ride with. And we're just going to have a good time. So we're going to ride in the morning, get some mudding in. We're going to get a little dirty. Okay? A little dirty. This truck probably won't look like this when it's done. And then obviously we got the unit in the back. So you already know what's back there. So
a lot of equipment with us.
Yes. So we are going to, like I said, be at his house a little later tonight. Probably be dark. So yeah, we will see you guys in the morning. So once again, Higgins Lake, Michigan, Higgins Lake Trails. We're excited. Check out the new shirt.
We got some good designs here.
Woo! It's looking good. It's upgrading, guys. So just want to say this as well. For the guys and the gals that are watching, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. For all the ones that have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't subscribed,
hit that button.
Hit that button. You know what to do. You guys help us out. You let us know if we're doing something right, because we're doing this. Okay, we're going up here. Just kidding.
To the moon.
To the moon. Talking to... Nope, I don't want no copyright. No, just kidding. All right, so we will see you in the morning. Let's go. Good morning.
Welcome back, guys.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hey, you guys ready to ride today?
Oh yeah.
Nicky.
What up, guys?
You ready to ride?
Yep. Had some technical difficulties, set us back a couple hours, but we're gonna go out there having blast either way.
Blaming Nick for everything today.
Yep.
Yeah.
Everything's Nick's fault today.
Yep.
Hey, Nick's got a bulletproof machine, all right? So we are out here today, about to ride, and we got a nice little group. We got 3 Razors. We got the school bus, and we got one more Razor up there. So that's number 3. So we're gonna ride, I guess, Kalkaska. Is that what he said?
Yep.
Kalkaska Trail. So what are your thoughts today, sir?
I'm excited.
You ready to get destroyed?
Yep.
You ready to get muddy?
Oh yeah.
You ready to get muddy?
Yep. Dusty.
These machines will look nothing like this.
We might not either.
We're gonna look nothing like this when we're done. So beautiful day. Weather's it was like 38 degrees this morning up here in Higgins Lake, Michigan. And yeah, so all right, guys, let's go ahead and ride out. Hey man, so how'd you get up there?
I don't know, man.
You know, the parking in Michigan, you know, you just can't look at the flex on this thing. It's got a little bit. You're sitting up there, and normally, I don't know, Steven, you probably don't typically go way on top of the wheel though, right?
Well, you know, you can.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Steven. This is our tour guide today. We're staying at his place. He's gracious enough to let us stay here in the lovely Higgins Lake area, Roscommon. Now this is trail, what is this, We're
headed to the Kalkaska Loop.
And this is trail 670,
70, I don't know.
Okay, whatever it is.
6 right there.
Yeah. Okay.
We're on a dusty trail.
Yeah, so guys,
on our way to the M72 parking lot.
Oh, okay. So you guys are watching. It's these trails are dumb dusty today. So sorry for the lack of dumb bumpy. Just a lot of chatter, a lot of washouts, washboards, whatever they're called. So if you guys see me trailing off by myself,
you know, get them skid plates off.
How about to say you do a little underbody work, you'll be good. Do a little.
Bang on the skid
Did you
plates,
bring your power washer or?
Yeah, exactly.
There you go. Hit the bottom real quick. So yeah, so we're gonna keep ripping here and feeling good. Is those bumps feeling nice?
They're great. You know.
Cool.
Yeah, they're good for the manhood.
Exactly.
Really shook up.
For sure. All right, let's keep going, guys. Might as well go ahead and do a show for the camera. Go ahead. Dusty, really dusty, and you can probably see it on the video, but we are having a great time. You good?
Good.
You good? So we having a good time out here at Kalkaska trailhead now, hitting up another trail, and yeah, we're just gonna keep rolling here. Whatever, we bump the dust, who cares? We rolling, we having fun, we're venturing all terrain. You guys are still watching, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's roll. Alright, so you guys already know, super dusty ride. So the machines actually don't even look that dirty right now because it's just dust. We have not hit one puddle. How dusty are these trails, guys?
Very dusty.
Like, do you see this guy's face? Look this guy's
What
face.
face? I have a
See all
face.
that? Like, he looks like me right now. See this?
What are you trying to say?
You know, what you trying to say? So, you guys can see. Terrible. So we,
We're a dusty mess.
dusty mess. We are at this tree. I'm not going to say the name. I said, we're at this tree of bras here. You know, some people, you know, signify the breast cancer and, you know, women's, you know, fighting for breast cancer and all that. So pretty cool little monument. We just drove past twice now, coming back the other way. So we are heading back to the house. You want to go jump in the, just go jump right in the lake after this?
Yes.
I don't even think we need to shower. Just go jump in the water.
Get out of this dust.
Bring the shampoo with us.
Exactly. All right. What a beautiful trail. Minus the dust,
All that dust.
but it was nice. So unfortunately, guys, we were not able to unload the yaks because we just had a long day. They didn't go quite as planned yesterday on the ride, so we were supposed to get the yaks out like kind of in the evening, and yeah, so we didn't. So it's all good. You feeling good?
Feeling pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys, if you made it this far, we appreciate you watching. You guys see this shirt here? Adventure is calling. You guys got to get outside, get outdoors. Go ahead and show them that just that beautiful, just nature little pathway here. So you just got to get outside, guys. So it is just really peaceful out here. We are up here, like I said, Higgins Lake area. The lake's literally like a half a mile that way. Really, really beautiful lake, clear water. We took a trip to Kalkaska and just had a good time. Like I said, minus the dust. It was super dusty. It hasn't rained here in like a month.
Yeah.
But yeah, so appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. Let us know, leave a comment. Let us know we're doing something right.
We will have a future kayak video.
Future, hopefully soon. So I know if you guys checked the Dunes video out with me and the wife and her friend, that was fun. So just keep watching, keep subscribing. Like I said, support us, and we appreciate you guys. So remember, guys, your next venture is just one step away. Till next time, guys. Thanks.